Kentucky fines limits practice test.
Question 1. If a Kentucky driver is convicted of speeding miles per hour over the posted speed limit on a limited access highway, his or her points balance will increase by 3.
20 to 25. 10 to 14. 11 to 15. 10 to 20.
Answer:
11 to 15.
Question 2. Which of the following are ways that a Kentucky driver may attend the state traffic school program?
Both of these answers are correct. As a stipulation of probation. Conviction of a moving traffic violation that does not require suspension. None of these answers are correct.
Answer:
Both of these answers are correct.
Question 3. Which of the following are Kentucky driving records based upon?
Records of traffic citations. Forfeitures of bail. Payments of fines. All of these answers are correct.
Answer:
All of these answers are correct.
Question 4. If a driver who is at least 18 years of age accumulates 12 or more points within a 2-year period, the Kentucky Transportation Cabinet may suspend his or her license for months upon the first excessive points addition.
1. 9. 6. 3.
Answer:
6.
Question 5. A conviction of driving the wrong way on a one-way street will result in points being added to a Kentucky driving record.
4. 3. 2. 5.
Answer:
3.
Question 6. Each Kentucky driver who is convicted of a DUI must
Receive assessment by a license program. Remain in jail for 3 days. Surrender his or her license. All of these answers are correct.
Answer:
Receive assessment by a license program.
Question 7. A Kentucky driver may be required to attend state traffic school upon the accumulation of points.
10. 8. 6. 12.
Answer:
6.
Question 8. If the Kentucky Transportation Cabinet suspended a driver's license more than once,
the driver's license will be revoked. The suspensions will run consecutively. The driver will serve jail time. None of these answers are correct.
Answer:
The suspensions will run consecutively.
Question 9. Which of the following is the consequence of failing to comply with Kentucky's insurance requirements?
Loss of driver's license. Fines. Loss of license plate. All of these answers are correct.
Answer:
All of these answers are correct.
Question 10. After accumulating 12 points in 2 years, if a driver who is over the age of 18 is convicted of another charge that results in the addition of more points, the Transportation Cabinet may suspend the driver's license for a period of
1 year, 30 days, 9 months, 6 months.
Answer:
1 year.
Question 11. Failing to stop it for a school bus will result in the addition of points to a Kentucky driving record.
5, 6, 4, 3.
Answer:
6.
Question 12. Which of the following convictions will result in the addition of 3 points on a Kentucky driving record?
Careless driving. Failure to use headlights. Driving too slowly. All of these answers are correct.
Answer:
All of these answers are correct.
Question 13. No-fault personal injury coverage limits a driver's right to
Sue or be sued. Medical care. Operate a vehicle at night. None of these answers are correct.
Answer:
Sue or be sued.
Question 14. Which of the following would not result in the loss of driving privileges in the state of Kentucky?
Failure to maintain liability insurance. DUI. A single conviction of speeding 10 miles per hour over the limit. Theft of a motor vehicle.
Answer:
A single conviction of speeding 10 miles per hour over the limit.
Question 15. If a Kentucky driver who is under the age of 18 accumulates or more points on his or her driving record, the Transportation Cabinet will issue an advisory letter.
7, 4, 6, 5.
Answer:
4.
Question 16. If a Kentucky driver is convicted of speeding 26 or more miles per hour over the posted limit, his or her license may be suspended for a period of days.
120, 30, 90, 60.
Answer:
90.
Question 17. All vehicles driven in the state of Kentucky must be covered under an auto insurance policy that includes a minimum of in property damage coverage.
$20,000, $10,000, $25,000, $15,000.
Answer:
$10,000.
Question 18. A conviction of improper lane usage will result in points being added to a Kentucky driving record.
6, 4, 5, 3.
Answer:
3.
Question 19. If a Kentucky driver is convicted of the 2 or more hazardous traffic charges in one instance, points will be added to his or her driving record.
6, 5, 3, 4.
Answer.
6.
Question 20. If a Kentucky driver is under the age of, his or her license may be cancelled if the consensual parent withdraws his or her signature.
17, 19, 16, 18.
Answer.
18.
Question 21. Convictions of reckless driving, driving on the wrong side of the road, and following too closely will result in the addition of points.
5, 3, 4, 6.
Answer.
4.
Question 22. Which of the following convictions will result in the addition of 5 points to a Kentucky driving record?
Reckless driving. Speeding in excess of 25 miles per hour over the posted limit. Improper passing. None of these answers are correct.
Answer.
Improper passing.
Question 23. Failing to respond to which of the following will result in a failure to stop conviction and a 3-point addition on a Kentucky driving record?
Railroad crossing. Traffic light. Stop sign. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 24. Which of the following may result in license suspension for a period of 90 days?
Fleeing or evading police. Running a red light. Speeding 10 miles per hour over the posted limit. Speeding 15 miles per hour over the posted limit.
Answer.
Fleeing or evading police.
Question 25. After accumulating 12 points in 2 years, if a driver who is over the age of 18 is convicted of 3 or more additional charges that result in the addition of more points, the Transportation Cabinet may suspend the driver's license for a period of
18 months. 6 months. 12 months. 24 months.
Answer.
24 months.
Question 26. Although the points expire sooner, how long will an actual conviction remain on a Kentucky driving record?
1 year. 2 years. 5 years. 10 years.
Answer.
5 years.
Question 27. What is the minimum single bodily injury liability insurance coverage required for all vehicles driven in the state of Kentucky?
$20,000. $30,000. $25,000. $10,000.
Answer.
$25,000.
Question 28. A Kentucky driver may attend the state traffic school program within a 12-month period.
Once. Twice. 3 times. 4 times.
Answer.
Once.
Question 29. If a Kentucky driver who is 18 years of age or older accumulates or more points within a 2-year period, the Transportation Cabinet will issue a warning letter that advises of future consequences if more points are added.
4, 8, 6, 10.
Answer.
6.
Question 30. Upon a court hearing, a probation period may be substituted for a suspension period. Times within a 2-year period.
3, 1, 2, 4.
Answer.
1.
Question 31. If a Kentucky driver is convicted of improper left lane usage on a limited access highway, points will be added to his or her driving record.
5, 3, 6, 4.
Answer.
3.
Question 32. Upon the accumulation of points, a Kentucky driver will receive a letter from the Division of Driver Licensing warning him or her to improve his or her driving habits immediately.
7, 6, 3, 4.
Answer.
6.
Question 33. If an underage Kentucky driver's license is cancelled because of withdrawal of parental consent, at what age may the driver reapply for a license?
21, 16, 18, 19.
Answer.
18.
Question 34. How long will points for a particular conviction remain on a Kentucky driving record?
5 years. 1 year. 6 months. 2 years.
Answer.
2 years.
Question 35. When a Kentucky driver purchases an auto insurance policy, the company will supply 2 copies of proof of insurance. One such copy should be kept in the vehicle at all times. The other must be given to
the dealership, other drivers who operate the vehicle, the driver's teacher, the county clerk.
Answer.
The county clerk.
Question 36. Which of the following non-driving issues may cause a Kentucky driver to lose his or her driving privileges?
Failure to attend college. Bankruptcy. Failure to pay child support. None of these answers are correct.
Answer.
Failure to pay child support.
Question 37. After having his or her driver's license suspended because of a DUI, a driver must, before being eligible for license reinstatement,
Pay a required license reinstatement fee. Complete an approved alcohol program. Wait until the suspension period is complete. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 38. Which of the following convictions could result in the loss of driving privileges in the state of Kentucky?
Failure to satisfy a traffic citation. Manslaughter resulting from the use of a vehicle. Leaving the scene of an accident. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 39. Kentucky drivers have the option of purchasing a single limit auto insurance policy that includes the liability of at least
$70,000, $50,000, $60,000, $80,000.
Answer.
$60,000.
Question 40. Upon or more reckless driving convictions within a 12-month period, a Kentucky driver may lose his or her license.
3, 4, 5, 2.
Answer.
3.
Question 41. Upon receiving a warning letter from the Division of Driver Licensing, a Kentucky driver may be required to
Interview with Transportation Cabinet official. Interview with a licensed driving instructor. Retake the driver's exam. None of these answers are correct.
Answer.
Interview with Transportation Cabinet official.
Question 42. If a Kentucky driver opts to attend the state traffic school program when allowed,
all points will be erased from his or her driving record. The driver will not have any points added for the conviction. The driver will be rewarded with a tank of gasoline. None of these answers are correct.
Answer.
The driver will not have any points added for the conviction.
Question 43. Speeding 15 miles per hour or less over the posted speed limit will result in the addition of points to a Kentucky driving record.
0, 2, 1, 3.
Answer.
3.
Question 44. Convictions of racing may result in license suspension for a period of 90 days in the state of D.
4, 1, 3, 2.
Answer.
1.
Question 45. If a Kentucky driver suffers from seizures, he or she must be seizure-free for a period of before initial application or renewal of license.
30 days. 180 days. 60 days. 90 days.
Answer.
90 days.
Question 46. If a Kentucky driver is convicted of failing to dim his or her high beam headlights, points will be added to his or her driving record.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Answer.
3.
Question 47. If a Kentucky driver is convicted of speeding at least 16 but less than 26 miles per hour over the posted speed limit, his or her driving record will increase by points.
4, 3, 5, 6.
Answer.
6.
Question 48. What is the purpose of the Kentucky points system?
To protect safe drivers. To correct irresponsible drivers. To correct reckless drivers. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 49. If a Kentucky driver is required to meet with a transportation cabinet official but fails to appear, his or her license will be suspended for months.
6, 4, 2, 8.
Answer.
6.
Question 50. Speeding convictions resulting from speeds miles per hour or less over the posted speed limit on limited access highways will not result in a points addition.
15, 5, 10, 20.
Answer.
10. Thank you for watching the video and wish you will get your driver license soon.